try to clean the vent sensor. The light's been going on this dryer, Samsung dryer. It just tells you that the vent sensor needs cleaning. I don't know whether it will tell it right now or not, but yeah, here it says no. Actually, this is a filter check, but the light comes on when you finish with a dry and load, and the bolts are not that dry. So to begin, let's see. So I took off the duct tape from here, pieces you can see lying around here, and this was just like Sears normal installation. There's a screw bolt here, which I can open with like my screwdriver, and there's similar thing down there. It's hard to see. Let me see if the flash works. It does not, because I didn't actually properly. Flash doesn't work because the battery is too low. So there you see barely that thing. So we'll remove this and remove these bolts and see what's behind the pipe. Stay tuned.